would like to introduce myself. My name is Putu Winastra. I am the owner of the Klumpu Bali Eco Tradi Place. We also have the natural beauty like the waterfall that we call it Tangkup Canyon Waterfall, which is very beautiful.
Let's go up. When there's something a problem in the stomach, can be fresh the lip of them and drinking of the water.
Yeah. Jest bardzo gorąco. Jest duszno, jest parno. To człowiek jest mokry od stóp do głów momentalnie. Nie, także idziemy przez tutejszą dżunglę. Is it good?
Yes.
Słuchajcie, a taki świeży jest bardzo ostry. I taki prosto z drzewa się rozkleja w rękach. Pychotka.
It's cacao. Okay. So in Bali they use for the woman here mix with the coffee and become to drink.
How are you today?
Yes, fine.
Fine.
And you?
Yes, I'm fine.
You look wet.
Very wet.
Yeah. Because of the waterfall or what?
Yeah,
Okay.
right. See you, very nice.
Fine. See you. Bye bye.
Om Swastiastu. Before all the tourists come here to waterfall, they also bring the small offering and put over there for making safety and enjoy going to the waterfall.
No dobra, idziemy, słuchajcie, przez tą wodę. To jest okej.
Stój.
Yeah.
We also have a huge of the rice field where our people, the Balinese people here, still doing in a traditional way.
Wiecie, ten zapach, tu przed chwilą te krowy sikały do tego.
Smile from the organic.
Yeah. Tak się to robi.
Pernahkah kau membayangkan diriku? Pernahkah kau mengharap
Very healthy.
Yes.
I would like to tell you also about the Balinese massage that we have. The Balinese massage is very well known, even into the other country. But more and more the Balinese therapists going there and to show how good the Balinese massage is. And beside that, we also have a Balinese food that very delicious and very good. You're gonna see how to cook the Balinese food with Balinese ingredients that we have.
Garlic, salad, red chili, lemongrass.
We will see how the Balinese people cook and the tourists also cooking.
Om Swastiastu. Okay, now welcome to Umah Bali. Umah Bali, that's mean Umah, that's mean house. Bali, Balinese house of Balinese traditional house like that. The Balinese house compound use the traditional architecture like human body. The head lah for the temple, and the body for the house of the building, and the leg for the garden. First, as you see the gate, we call it angkul-angkul. The function of angkul-angkul is to border the street and the house. Also with two shrine, the small shrine, right side and the left side. For every morning, the food offering. The function is to protect the house, build safety inside. And also complicated with a two statue for welcoming. Yeah, welcome to Umah Bali. Om Swastiastu. The small wall, we call it aling-aling, for protect the seeing from the street. And also to protect the bad spirit with the son of the Ganesh will burning here. Or to protect the bad spirit not entering in this house.
Hello, welcome to Umah Bali.
Thank you.
This is the drink of the welcome drink. Lemongrass with a little bit ginger.
I'll explain you about the certain direction building. Yeah, we call it Balinese pawon. Pawon, that's mean kitchen. All thing will cook here. So we prepare in the table like this. So later all the tourists can try how to cooking Balinese food with the stuff, with the textures here.
Harapku kepadamu agar kau tahu, ingin kau tahu dengan sendirinya. Namun ku berakhir dengan bimbang yang membebani. Ku buang jauh semua di hati, tapi tak lama kembali lagi.
Cakap apa tuh?
Ku hibur diri, menekan asa bahwa ini hanya perasaan sesaat. Mungkinkah ada benarnya kata hatiku bila ku mencoba lagi, kau takkan berpaling. Mungkinkah ku takkan kecewa andai bukan begitu adanya, karena dirimu telah ku simpan jauh di relung jiwaku.
budget. What are you doing?
Pak, apa nih yang rame?
Okay, that's for the offering. People in Bali, after have the cooking, everything, yeah, we can offer to the God.
Yes, now it's perfect. And I was really hungry.
Ku buang jauh semua di hati, tapi tak lama kembali lagi. Ku hibur diri, menekan asa bahwa ini hanya perasaan sesaat.
It will be nice, yeah?
Now I know I am in Bali.
And after that, you will get the recipe that you can bring along to your country as the memory that you've been to Bali and you've been cooking the Balinese food, which is very delicious, that you will never find it in another place. Thank you.
Nie byli to rolling stonesi, ale też nieźle.